Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week, we're going to look at how to set up a shared photo album in Photos for iOS. To set up a shared album, first we need to open the Photos app on our iOS device. So let's invoke Spotlight, tap on Photos, and the Photos app takes us to our Photos library. From here, tap on the Albums tab on the bottom, and then tap the plus icon in the upper left to add a new iCloud album. We get prompted to choose between a new album and a new shared album. We want to create a new shared album so that we can share photos with other people, so select the new shared album option. And the next thing we have to do is give our album a name. In this example, I'll create a shared photo album from a Thanksgiving holiday with my family. Once you've named the album, tap Next. The next screen will ask you who you want to share the album with. You can search your address book or just start typing the person's name to share the photo album with them. I'll add a couple people to this shared photo album. Then once you've added everybody's name, tap the Create button in the upper right. Now we see that our shared album shows up in the Shared Albums list on our iOS device, but we haven't added any photos to the album yet. We can see the avatar circles of the people that we've shared the album with in the lower right of the album, but right now there's nothing for them to see. So let's tap on the album, tap on the plus button, and select some photos that we want to share.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.